systems, but for the most part, parasites are bad. I say that, and by the end of it, I'll come around. I love parasites. So probably 95% of the animals, creatures that you see, including plants, have parasites of sorts. Nematodes are the roundworms. So yeah, I'm going to be gross, so I'm sorry. They're roundworms. They infect just about every creature. Plants have a lot of trouble. Gardeners will often seek help for nematode trouble. They're one of the most abundant creatures on the planet. Some people that study the ocean think that the ocean floor is about 90% nematodes, which is pretty substantial. They infect sea creatures just like land creatures. They look like a pencil. They vary in size. So this is out of a horse, and then these hair worms, they look like hairs, are out of a cow. And then these are out of a cat, cat. So they vary in size, but they all have the same shape. They're elongated and cylindrical, kind of tapered on the ends for the mouth and the anus. There's male and females. The males are usually smaller than the females. Can anyone guess why? Females are bigger?
So they can lay eggs?
Absolutely. So they have the ovaries and the eggs, so they have to be, usually it's a good size difference with males. It's called sexually dioecious. Yeah, I'm sure of that. Nematodes are, they usually just have one host, which is called the definitive host or the final host. Their life cycle, we'll keep it simple, just with sheep and goat, with grass eaters. So you have the adult worms, male and female, in the intestines. They mate and reproduce and deposit eggs in the feces. The eggs, once in the environment, will molt a couple times, meaning they get bigger. Same shape, but they just get bigger. And then once they get to the infective stage, they kind of crawl out on the grass about a foot out, and they'll migrate up and down the grass. So every time an animal takes a bite of grass, they're ingesting larvae. So that's just a very simple life cycle, one host life cycle. They're not simple creatures, but they have a simple life cycle. Parasites are really good at adaptation. They can, if they get into the wrong host, sometimes, so the wrong host eats the infective stage, sometimes they can insist or just kind of hibernate in the muscles or in the tissue or in the organs and wait with their fingers crossed for that animal to get eaten by the correct host. So they're very adaptable. These are chicken worms here.